In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Netlify. So it's very simple, just follow my steps. So first step, once you are on Netlify, click on the domains on the left side here, and here you need to click on add or register domain. Click on it, and from here choose add a domain you already own. Then you need to paste your GoDaddy domain. So go to GoDaddy, and then click on your name in top right corner and click on My Products. Then from here choose domain on the left side. This will open your domain section, and as you can see, this is my domain, so I'm gonna copy it and paste it here. Then click verify. This domain is already registered and is ready to be added to your site. So next click on add a domain. Then what you need to do is add DNS records. So this is optional, so I'm going to click on continue. And then what you need to do is update your domain's name servers. So you need to paste those servers in GoDaddy. So how you can do this, go to GoDaddy and here click on DNS. Then from here choose name servers. And from here click on change name servers. Then from here click on I'll use my own name servers. And here you need to paste all the 4 servers names from the Netlify. So I'm gonna copy just this first one, and as you can see, you just need to replace the number, this number. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna paste 4 of those. So click on other name servers here, like that, and just change this number like this, and then click save. Click continue. And as you can see, success. Now click on refresh, and these are your Netlify name servers. So now go back to Netlify and click on done. So as you can see, you registered through an external provider. So this is how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Netlify. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.